Nzama ya unyuvani na mivaka Iebc niminite kumanenga lingila ateti 11 alame kukitia kivila cha MCA wodini ya Mumbuni North kauntini ya Masaku. Une kwianana na ovisa wa Iebc wala ungamie iseso muandu Alice Ndunge Kimani wala waelesya kana Uatiie mena uthei wa kwikuniia maleve ingi ni wakulia ateti onde matwaise uteti wena umwe na muo maatie mawalanyo ala mekitwa Nzama ya Iebc. Mwandikitwa mauvo Dani Mwangala nukutuvingu ya vilingi na ilivote.
Ovisa wa Nzama yosa kwa na mivaka ungamie maundu maosa kwa ni uadino ya Mumbuni na kilioni mbunge cha Masaku elesekana kuvikia vau ateti 13 nimumane humility kumanda kivila ki indi 11 ni mwaminione wa lingila wa kwikunia maleve itina wa umwe kwa mavika kutunga madhangu na ungi umwe kumea masemba.
For today and yesterday we have candidate registration. Candidate registration entails registering candidates, or rather registering aspirants, so that now they can become candidates and also flag them off to go and vie after registering them. Once we register them, we clear them and issue a certificate that to show that they are already registered, and now they can campaign for the by-election.
Kati waya 11 wa Richard Nzioki Joel wa CCU, Anton Chalokisoi wa chama cha Wiper Patriotic Front, Kalweathers Mutesiambadha wa NLP, Jones Benson Mwema wa chama cha PTP, Stephen Mutuandila wa PPOK, Stephen Nzioka Mutiso wa chama cha PIK, Misi Mutua wa UDA, Harrison Wambua Mutuku wa maendeleo chapchap, Naomi Nduku Nzioki na ulani wa mundu mukae weka ungamie king'ang'anio niki wa chama cha UPA, Stephen Kilonzo chama cha KMM, omwena Nzomomuli wa GDDP.
I had 13 aspirants. At that time they were aspirants. They were 13. So as at yesterday I cleared 11. Out of the 13, one of them came back yesterday and he indicated that he was no longer vying.
Uatiie ni maminione wa lingila kunisia maleve na kumanda kivila ki wala maende na kulo mati mawalanyo la meki Nzama ya usa kwa na mivaka na kutoa hizi siasa itena nduthi siamuo.
So from here, once they are registered as candidates, they are supposed to campaign from 8th of October up to 24th of November. That is when the campaigns will officially stop. So we are hoping that they will adhere to the Electoral Code of Conduct, maintain peaceful campaigns as we await for the by-election.
Daniel Mwonkela, Mutungu TV, kumuvaa kidhini cha Kahawa cha Kasinga, kauntini ya Masaku.